The government and the opposition continues to be at odds over the granting of a $150 million loan to the Jamaica Public Service to complete its electricity restoration. Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, is now questioning comments made by Finance Minister Favour Williams, suggesting that critical surgeries were being postponed due to delayed power restoration. According to Dr. Dawes, this is contrary to assurances made by the Health Ministry that hospitals outside of the worst affected stayed operational.
Did the Minister of Finance mislead the country by stating that life-saving surgeries were not taking place? Or is the Ministry of Health misleading the public regarding which hospitals are currently able to provide these essential services? I am further troubled by what appears to be an attempt by the Ministry of Finance to leverage the health sector and the legitimate fears of citizens to rationalize a high-risk $24 billion loan to JPS.
State Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister, Abka Fitz-Henley, has since hit back.
Cabinet essentially moved to bring badly needed convenience to the people via an arrangement where the monies lent will be recouped at 5% interest rate. This initiative is no doubt a win-win situation for the people of Jamaica. So the view expressed by members of the PNP that this $150 million loan is not necessary and perhaps the people should be made to wait a bit is not only obtuse but incredibly short-sighted.